everybody, my name is Michelle Gelkerson, and I am obviously here to talk about my lesson plan template for Teach In 1. And I have my template here. My goal is to increase knowledge of complex machines for high school students in the physics class. As some of you know, I'm already teaching full-time, and so I've decided to invite you in to a portion of my physics class and let you see what I do every day. The Common Core standards that we're going to touch on are the Science as an Inquiry for point 3 and 5, and then also standard number 6.5.1, benchmark 5.1. And my objective then is that the students will learn to identify and classify compound machines found in everyday life. And they also have to be able to identify how to improve each of those machines' efficiencies. I have a PowerPoint presentation that goes along with it, as well as examples of compound machines and simple machines that are spread throughout my classroom. I have my classroom kind of around here behind me. And also, I'm bringing in some materials for them to build a simple machine with. I'll start out with that activity. They should have already learned what a simple machine is in their physical science class, but it's been a while for most of them. So we'll review what a simple machine is. I have a little PowerPoint slide that I'll show them, and also some examples of pictures of simple machines. And I'll have some supplies that they should try and build one of these 6 simple machines with. After that's finished and they understand the individual machines, we'll move on to their PowerPoint slides that coincide with their chapter 10.2 in their text, and we will learn about efficiency and how you make a complex machine. So a complex machine is more than one simple machine put together, working together to create work that's easier. And I have efficiency slides, and they'll learn how to calculate efficiency for each of the different kinds of simple machines, and then apply that to a complex machine as well. And here's a little example of a compound machine, a bicycle. I'll ride my bicycle to work that day, so there'll be a bike in class. After we finished with the introduction of new material, then I would like to assess the students and see how well they really grasp the concept and if they can identify compound machines. And I have several throughout the room, and just being a science room, we already have them. So I'll let the students loose to find each at least 3 complex machines. They have to bring those back to me and tell me how they would make them more efficient based on the force that has to be applied to a machine, which they'll learn all about in the lecture. And they have to be successful at least twice. Usually in this sort of case, I end up kind of prompting them the first time around, and then in the second and third tries, then they're pretty good about getting it. However, if I have some challenge, some students that are doing exceptionally well, I might challenge them by encouraging them to find more complex machines, maybe something that's connecting 3 or 4 machines together, and how might those machines work together and how you can improve their efficiency. The students that might fall behind, they have, I would encourage them to maybe take a look at those simple machines first and find how you can incorporate those into more complex machines. And that's it. So that should take about the whole class period, and I think it'll go well. I welcome any of your advice. Thank you.